Have you ever wondered what keeps your data in the cloud truly safe? Or, what would happen if someone got their hands on your encryption keys? Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial, but often overlooked, practices in cloud security: encryption key rotation. Welcome to Bluehat Cybersec Academy. Let's get started. So, first things first. What exactly are cloud encryption keys? Encryption keys are digital codes that convert plain text data into unreadable ciphertext, and back again. Think of them as secret passwords that guard your data. In cloud environments, these keys protect everything from databases and backups to virtual machines and application data. Cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform offer something called Key Management Services, or KMS, to handle encryption keys. That includes generating them, storing them securely, and managing their entire lifecycle. But here's the important part. Just having encryption keys isn't enough. If the same key is used indefinitely, it becomes a serious security liability. That's why key rotation is so vital. Now, you might be asking, why must cloud encryption keys be rotated? Well, key rotation simply means replacing old encryption keys with new ones at regular intervals, and there are several reasons why it's essential. First, rotating keys helps minimize the impact if a key is ever compromised. Even the most secure keys can be exposed through misconfigurations, breaches, or insider threats. If a key is compromised, any data encrypted with it becomes vulnerable. Regular rotation limits the window of exposure because old keys are retired, reducing potential damage. Next, key rotation helps maintain compliance. Many industries have strict regulations around data security. For example, HIPAA mandates safeguarding healthcare data, PCI DSS requires proper key lifecycle management for payment data, and GDPR emphasizes protection of personal data. Failing to rotate keys regularly can lead to non-compliance, costly fines, or even damage to your reputation. Another reason is to prevent cryptographic weakness. Encryption algorithms evolve, and older keys may become vulnerable as computing power increases. Rotating keys ensures that your data remains protected against emerging threats and cryptographic weaknesses. Rotating keys also helps limit the blast radius in case of an attack. Even if someone gains access to your cloud environment, properly rotated keys ensure they can only decrypt a limited subset of data, reducing the overall impact of a security incident. And finally, regular rotation enables audit and governance. Organizations can demonstrate that they follow security best practices, which is something clients, stakeholders, and regulators increasingly expect. So, now that we understand why rotation is important, how do we actually do it effectively? Implementing key rotation requires both planning and automation. A key step is to automate rotation wherever possible. Most cloud providers offer automated rotation features. For example, AWS KMS can automatically rotate customer-managed keys every year. Automation reduces human error and ensures key changes happen on schedule. It's also crucial to plan for key dependencies. Encrypted data is often tied to multiple applications or services. Before rotating a key, map all dependencies to avoid service disruptions. Many KMS solutions handle seamless key replacement in live environments, but it's always wise to test in a staging environment first. Another best practice is maintaining key versioning. Keep track of old keys for decryption purposes until all data has been re-encrypted with the new key. Versioning ensures you never lose access to historical data. Strong key management practices are essential too. Limit access using the principle of least privilege, monitor key usage and audit logs for suspicious activity, and rotate both symmetric and asymmetric keys periodically. And of course, educate your team. Key rotation isn't just a technical task. It requires awareness from DevOps, security, and compliance teams. Establish clear policies and procedures to ensure consistent execution. Now, let's wrap this up with the big picture. Cloud encryption key rotation isn't optional. It's a fundamental part of modern cloud security. By rotating keys regularly, organizations reduce the risk of data breaches, maintain compliance, and safeguard trust with customers and stakeholders. In today's world, where data is the most valuable asset, protecting it is non-negotiable. Implementing a disciplined key rotation strategy ensures your organization stays one step ahead of threats while still taking full advantage of the cloud. Remember, your keys are only as secure as your rotation strategy. Don't let them grow stale. Before we finish, here's a quick challenge for you. Can you list 3 reasons why rotating cloud keys is essential? What is one best practice for implementing key rotation in a cloud environment? Drop your answers in the comments. We'd love to see what you came up with. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons from our cloud security playlist. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.